Hey everyone! So today me and the fam are doing a family barbecue. The weather isn't amazing, but we're still going ahead because it's the final day of the Easter spring break. This looks kind of bland, doesn't it?
He wanted skewers, but I'm gonna make the same thing for the burgers. It's gonna kind of be what are you doing, bro? What are you recording me for?
I haven't got you in there, I've only got your hands.
It's gonna be
anyone.
It's gonna be a dead burger. But
well, anyway, it does look like a little bit of a plain one, but it looks nice. Plain, that's what I'm saying.
Plain what?
What did you put in it? What seasoning?
It's a patty. You don't put seasoning. Salt and pepper, that's what you put in a patty.
That's what I said, it's the seasoning.
Oh, shut up. Goddamn.
Mama made some chicken.
Hey. Don't tell me how to cook when you're cooking out of jars, alright?
This guy thinks he can cook everything when you know you don't know how to cook anything other than maybe some steak and some plain
That's
patties.
the most seasoning I've ever put in a burger in my life.
Really? Oh, okay. Oh shit, I need to do this. Mashed potatoes. Why'd you get mashed potatoes? I'm making mashed potatoes.
No, you don't have to make it.
So the only thing that I know really how to make very well, I think, is my mashed potatoes. Why are you such a hater?
Let me see how you're making your mashed potatoes.
Little bit of salt. The only thing that he knows how to make is some bland ass patties. Yeah, right, whatever. It isn't even powdered black pepper. It's like nice grainy one to give the grain and crunch.
You mean it's actual black pepper?
Shut up.
You know what?
And then wait, look at this. And then, wow, pick the first double cream.
She grabbed the utterly butterly. Fucking hell, bro. You ever heard of using real butter? You bloody utterly butterly. You're sick.
There's none in the fridge.
You're sick.
The reason why I'm using utterly butterly
is because I don't know any different.
He is such a hater. This much, yes. Double cream. I think this is enough.
Look at it, it's really bad.
Oh, got it.
What did you do?
Papa, I've made mashed potatoes 1,000 times.
Let her do what she wants, it's fine. Before you start, let me tell you straight, yeah? You have to mash the potato with the butter and then you add the cream afterwards. And not double cream, add some creme fraiche, alright?
Shut up. The only thing he knows how to make is maybe beans on toast.
Shut up.
Look at it. How beautiful does this look? So good. I just use this because I like it kind of lumpy. I don't like very smooth mash. And that's done, guys. Now he's cleaned the whole house. I did the kids though.
What? Did you actually say I cleaned the whole house?
You did. She's cleaned the whole house.
Filling in for Sumaya right now.
Yeah, and Siddiq and Sami have done the BBQ. Well, Siddiq only did these bland little patties.
What do you mean bland?
Mama's.
No, they're pretty good, Maliha. They're pretty good. Well, we've got.
Anyways, we're getting ready, and we're doing a barbecue today.
I hate it when you ignore my. You always ignore me.
What did you say?
Forget it now. I forgot.
What are you guys doing? What? Okay, very nice, very cool.
Okay,
I marinated everything myself.
Give me some.
Did you hear, Papa? I marinated everything myself, and Papa went. If you guys want the recipe, let me know. I'll give you the recipe of how to marinate. I cut that down for you. No, look at this mess. It's unreal. This is the aftermath of everything. Nobody really ate much. We didn't really eat much, by the way. I didn't. I had one hot dog and I had like a little bit of rice. Dina, you had about 6 hot dogs, about 1 burger. Yeah, you've ate. It's a familiar affair. No, you don't. Is it? of them are playing. They said we're playing volleyball. Volleyball. It's pool. The best bit. So today I'm with Nafia and the kids. The weather isn't really great, but the thing is, we want to take the kids out. We're taking them to a pier. I was just telling Nafia, my dad was taking me home yesterday, and he was just like, Maliha, I think you should wear a hijab. And I was like, yeah, I know, I definitely should, right?
Yeah.
And then he was saying about Nafia as well, that she should too.
No, he said extra stuff.
He said extra stuff about Nafia, because Nafia's lately been dressed like a house.
Yeah, but I've only put trousers on.
Only joking. Papa doesn't like low cut tops. So
I don't have low cut tops.
low cut, when I say low cut, it's just like mid-length to the bum area. It's like, he is the bum line, and then it's the mid-length of the bum. He doesn't like when any of the bum is showing.
You know, I
so
don't like it either. But the thing is, I've got too many hoodies.
what it is because she wants the window down now.
Okay.
So Dina gave Nafia quite a few hoodies, and Nafia's just been living in those hoodies, and they don't
And
cover
what
her
did Dad
booty.
say? Dad said,
Papa was
basically Dad said that, like, it's fine if you wear it, but if you were thinner.
Yeah, he basically said, if you were thin, it's okay to wear it, but just because you isn't thin,
You is fit.
you is fat, then it looks really bad. So this is Papa's so brutal.
Trying to basically say,
Yeah, he's trying to say your bum is humongous, so just cover it.
I do have a nappy ass, man.
Your bum is big.
It is massive.
Jesus,
Okay, calm down, you.
it's big. Okay,
Yeah.
I have like a big bum.
Yeah, but yours is like, yours just sticks out. Mine's like out, and then it's wide as well.
So yeah, I do want to wear a hijab. I really, really do. And then he followed to say, like, your hair isn't even nice, so why don't you cover it?
Do you know what he said to me? How he
He's
described
so
your hair? He goes, "Daar heeft this is."
What did he say?
Daar heeft Patricia, maar we told it to her, Ukhrewa. Or is it Maliha? This is the shot and this is.
He's basically translation. My dad said my hair is like this, and he's right, because this bit.
It's like a flap. It's like a cat flap.
You guys are so
Your
rude.
face is beautiful. Your face, and you got extensions. Okay, that's fine.
Which is what it is. He's so, wait till I see Papa. Wait till I see him. I will wear a hijab, inshallah. Thing is, everyone has their own struggles, and for some very weird reason, my struggle, alhamdulillah, it isn't praying, because I pray 5 times a day. My struggle is covering this disgusting hair. I don't know why. I don't know why. It isn't even nice, and I don't want to cover it. Astaghfirullah, it's the devil.
It's the
It's the devil. This is
the devil
festering in my mind, saying that you don't need to cover this disgusting
That
hair.
flap just flap away.
She said, let that cat flap just flap away. We here.
Hey, watch
Yes.
it.
Hey kids, don't go by the road. Stay on the right side. Stay this side. Hey Remo.
Caleb.
Oh wow. How cool. Who wants ice cream? Press the vanilla one.
Yum, yum. I love vanilla ice cream.
Woo! So we're having a little bit of a picnic.
Whoa.
Yeah? Why are you screaming though? What's the need? Oh, okay. Alrighty then. Alrighty. We've just had a lunch, and look at this place. It's so nice. Look at this. Looks so yum. Can you tell I'm enjoying this?
In your eyes and shopping. Big one.
What are you doing, Nav? What are you doing? Let's see your phone. What are you doing on your phone right this second?
You'd actually be embarrassed.
Let me see.
Maybe I'd be embarrassed.
Let me see.
I'm actually watching your channel.
No way. You're looking at my videos. You're so
All the
cute.
videos, just the one you uploaded.
Okay. I was saying how cute you were. Okay.